Let me ask you a question. Have you ever used Google? Do you know what Google is? And do you know that you can make a lot of money on Google? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make $220 over and over again in just minutes. All you have to do is just go onto this brand new website and use this brand new Google trick that I will be teaching you in this video. By following and incorporating these steps, you can make hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single day. Now for some of you guys, I know that you're coming from all over the world. Don't worry, this opportunity works worldwide, and they pay you in many different payment methods. They cover PayPal, Payoneer, Paytm, Skrill, and bank transfers. Remember to stay tuned and watch up until the end of this video, since I will show you how to get free bonus money when you sign up. And this is going to be a brand new website that I've never seen anyone cover. I will also show you how to set the ultimate Google settings. This is a Google trick that I will be teaching you. If you apply this strategy, you can make 3 times more money compared to other people. So make sure that you don't miss out on this special trick that I will be showing you in this video. The new video on how to make money online. You will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now the first step that you need to do if you want to create hundreds and hundreds of dollars all through the use of Google is you need to open this website called shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io is a URL shortener website that can pay you up to $220 per 10,000 views. If you want to see if this website is legit and real, you can see and open this payment option proof. You can see and open this payment proof tab on the upper side of the website here, and you will see all of the real-time payments they pay their users. You can see that they do not miss out on any of the payments, and they pay through different payment methods. You can also see how much they have paid their users in real time. Now there are 3 easy steps you need to do on this website to start earning money now. The first step is to create and sign up for your account. Next is you need to start shortening your links and share these links with other people, and I will be teaching you how to do this later on in the video. And the last and final step is you just need to earn your money. Now there is a catch. I need you to listen closely and carefully to this video, since this will only work if you do it right, and I will be teaching you that. Now if you want to sign up for a free account, just go on and hover your mouse to this top right hand corner, and you're gonna see this register button. Just click on this link and then you just have to register for a brand new membership. Now once you sign up for a free account, you instantly get $1 for free. This is a sign up bonus. And then once you make $5, you can begin cashing out your money. I'll teach you exactly how you can make money right now starting today by using my Google trick method. There are payouts daily. This is exactly why I love this website, because there are other websites where you can use the same method to make money, but they pay out every other week. This website will pay out daily, and they cover a lot of different payment methods. Now if you guys are coming from different countries around the world, you can receive your payment on this website. And again, their minimum payment is just $5. It becomes very easy. Once you make $5, you can begin cashing out money into whatever payment method that you want. So now here's how it works. The method that we are going to be using on this website is we're going to go on to YouTube, and we will find a video, a very specific video, and we're going to get a link of that video, and then we're going to come back to this website and we will paste the link on this bar. We are going to shorten this link. Once you shorten the URL link, you are then going to share this link to different platforms, and then every single time people click on your link, you are going to make money. Now let me show you different payment rates that you will receive if people from Greenland will click on your link. You are going to earn $22 for every 1,000 views. If you get people from the United States to click on your link, you will earn $10. Now you are going to see different countries click on your link, and you can earn different types of money. That's the reason why you want to combine the Google trick, because if people from Greenland click on your link, the most amount of money you can earn per 1,000 views is $22. So right now on this video, I want to cover how you can find the best video on YouTube, because if you find a bad video, you will not make a lot of money. I'll teach you how you can find the best video, and then we're gonna come on to this website to shorten the link. Once we get a shortened link, we're gonna go on to Google, and use a very special trick to multiply your money and make a lot of money with this method. I'm excited to show you the entire system. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now we're gonna go on to YouTube. Now the best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about weight loss. In this world, so many people want to learn how to lose weight, so the best videos are going to be weight loss videos. So when you go onto YouTube, you're gonna type in weight loss videos, and then you're gonna click on this filter, and then you're gonna click on this week. Now we're gonna find the best performing video this week, because there are brand new fresh content as you can see here, and then you're gonna find the highest viewed video. For example, this one. What you should do next is just click on this video, and then on top of that, you're gonna see this. This is the link to the video. You're gonna click on this link and then just copy it. Right now, we're gonna go to shrinkme.io, and then we're gonna paste the link right here on this tab. And then once we paste the link, you just have to click on this button. Once you click on the button, they're gonna give you a shortened link as you can see here. So what you can do is just click on this, highlight them, and again, you're gonna copy this link for later. Right now what you can do is go back to Google. So we're gonna find forums. Weight loss forums. What you're gonna do is you're gonna type in the keyword weight loss forum and then search. When we use this strategy, you're gonna find a lot of different forums where you can share the link. Because usually, people who want to lose weight, they're gonna hang out and find different forums to join different discussions and find different tips to lose weight. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna join one of these forums. For example, this one. Now this is just one of the examples that I want to show you. You can find hundreds of different forums by just using Google. But again, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I'll show you the #1 trick on how you can get people from Greenland to click on your link so that you can make more money. As you can see here, if you get people from, let's say, Sweden, you just have to make $5. But if you can get people from Greenland, you'll make 4 times more money. This is crazy! I'll show you exactly how to do this in just a moment. Let's go back to the forum. Once you go onto the forum, usually you can just sign up and register for free. So for example in this forum, just click on this register button, and then you have to fill out your information. What I recommend you do is you don't use your real name. Use a fake name and a username, and then sign up for an account. You can repeat the same thing on many different forums. The more forums you can find, the more links that you can share out there, and the more people are gonna click on your link. But again, there is one big problem, because when you use this method, you can get people from different countries to click on your link. But how can we focus and find more people from Greenland, more people from Ireland, and the United States, so that we can make more money? This is the secret tactic that I want to show you. When you do a different search on Google, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this setting. So I went to click on settings, and you're gonna find the advanced search. Click on that, and then right here, you're gonna see this region, the region you want to filter them on, for example, Greenland. By doing that, you can find a lot of forums, specifically in Greenland. And then you just repeat the same method. And that's how you can get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. But again, unfortunately, the forum that's available in Greenland is very limited. That's why the second thing that you can do is that you can do it in Ireland or in the United States. Again, you can go back to Google and just go back to the settings, and over the region, just find what country you want. You can repeat the same method again and again. You can find different weight loss videos on YouTube, and again, this is 100% legal. This is ethical to use, and you will not get punished or penalized because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos. Instead, you are sharing other people's videos. This is one method to use the Google trick, because you can get very focused and specialized in a location to make more money on this rate right here. But again, you can use a lot of different methods to share this link. For example, you can share this link on YouTube. You can do it on YouTube comments. Or for example, you can do it on Facebook, on different social media platforms that you have. Now, the more people that click on your link, the more money you're gonna make. So this is exactly how all of these people are making money from all over the world. People are doing this every single day.